On a cherished plot overlooking the Vltava River in Podolí, Prague, stands the rejuvenated greenhouse by AOC Architekti. Once a 1960s family home, it now whispers of light, memory, and garden as home. The façade is clad in a fine green scraped render, its hue melting into seasonal foliage, making the home feel both rooted and present. Window openings are meticulously composed to filter skylight, diffuse texture, and shape evening twilight. The new architecture honors the old by weaving spaces vertically. A warm oak-paneled staircase lifts you from the ground level to living floors that float above the garden, gently bridging past interior and landscape. The ground floor is reserved for entrance and a private studio flat with its own terrace, an independent space for guests or creative retreat. The heart of the home unfolds in the upper floors. An open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area opens onto a generous terrace above the garden. Mornings and evenings here feel suspended in soft shadow. In the top level, a sculpted study and lounge with a fireplace, framed by a monumental studio window looking toward the river. Light plays choreography here, from streaming skylights to delicately filtered twilight through semi-transparent surfaces. Spaces shift in mood throughout the day, evolving with natural rhythm. The surfaces present natural timber and exposed finishes. The custom furniture are an integral part of the house. Poetic wood tables on steel frames and built-in oak joinery. Minimalism reigns but warmth remains. Thoughtful furniture, integrated storage, hidden service elements, and piece-by-piece consideration of lighting transform interiors into lived poetry, refined, personal, and grounded. Rather than manicured, the garden has been allowed to flourish naturally, with whispered plans for exotic fruit trees, flowing water features, even a vineyard. The home and landscape breathe together in evolving harmony. Greenhouse is more than a renovation. It's a remapping of memory, light, and life. Cloaked in green, nestled in garden, and guided by simplicity, it offers a quiet dialogue between family, form, and land.